Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to buy gear and boosts for your superstar. In the beginning, let's enter superstar from main menu and go to store. Here you can start with starter bundles and deals. Next, you can buy boosts and you can do it by pressing X button. In order to buy boosts and gear, we have to earn money in-game. As you can see, to buy gear or boosts, we have to earn P money and C money. We can do it by winning the games. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.